The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Footville, or 7 miles west of Janesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Janesville, Milton, Clinton, Footville, Tiffany, Johnstown Center, Leiden, Avalon, and Emerald Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's Weather Radio.
Yeah,
KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring.
That was weird.
To occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast.
Huh, power flicked. Interesting. Doesn't happen very often.